AumSum was wandering along a breezy seaside cliff on a bright morning when his nose suddenly tingled. A powerful sneeze burst out, and something astonishing followed. The air in front of him swirled rapidly, forming a tiny spinning cloud. AumSum stood still in wonder. Miraculously, his sneezes had gained the power to create mini-storms. Suddenly, far beyond the cliffs, dark smoke rose into the sky. A dry forest near the coast had caught fire. AumSum sensed the danger immediately. He moved toward a cliff facing the burning area. Standing firmly, AumSum took a deep breath and released a controlled sneeze. A swirling mini-storm burst forward, carrying cool, moist air toward the flames. The fire slowed slightly. He followed with another, stronger sneeze that sent mist drifting over the burning ground and created a rolling gust that pushed smoke upward. Each storm was carefully directed, cooling the air and lowering the fire's strength without spreading it. The flames weakened. The emergency teams noticed the sudden change. With the fire slowed, they moved in safely, surrounding the area and containing the remaining flames. The emergency team cheered loudly for their hero, AumSum.